Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by heating 1 tablespoon oil in a wide pot. This matters because surface contact develops flavor. Once the oil shimmers, add onions and garlic and sweat gently until translucent, do not brown. Add dense vegetables first so they begin to soften. This ensures even texture later. Stir, then pour 3-4 cups vegetable broth to deglaze the pan. Make sure to taste for salt early. You can always adjust later as flavors concentrate. Once done with the base, add the rest of your garden vegetables and any pie fillings intended for the soup. Think savory fruits sparingly. You want a gentle simmer for 15-20 minutes so flavors meld without breaking down everything into mush. If you want creaminess, blend 30-60 seconds with an immersion blender. Do this off heat to avoid splatter. Make sure to adjust thickness with extra broth or a splash of cream. Balance acidity with a pinch of sugar if needed. You finish by seasoning carefully. Add salt, a squeeze of lemon, or a teaspoon of sugar to harmonize flavors, tasting after each change. Once done, ladle into bowls and top with toasted pie crust pieces or fresh herbs to echo the pie theme. If the soup is too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce. If overly salty, drop in a peeled potato to absorb excess or dilute with extra broth. Make sure to rest for 5 minutes before serving so flavors settle.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.